Hello students, hope you all doing well. Today I am going to teach you English literature of class 5 lesson 2 The Wizard of Hockey part 3. So students, in the previous videos I already explained you the chapter The Wizard of Hockey. In this we will complete the exercises. Reference to contest. Young Dhyan did not show any special interest in sports, although he loved wrestling. In fact, his hockey career had quite an ordinary beginning. So, question number 1 is, which sport did Dhyan enjoy when he was young? So students, I already explained you that Dhyan enjoyed wrestling when he was young. So, the answer of this question is, Dhyan enjoyed wrestling when he was young. Question number B. Why is the beginning of Dhyan Chand's hockey career described as ordinary? The answer of this question is, Dhyan Chand's hockey career is described as ordinary because at a young age he used to cut a leaf of date palm and with its curved end used to play hockey with a makeshift ball made out of rags. Question number C. Who first encouraged Dhyan Chand to play hockey seriously? As students, I already told you that Major Bhole Tiwari are very fond of hockey and he recognized the talent in Dhyan Singh and he became the Dhyan's guru and influence laid the foundation of amazing sports career. So students, Subedar Major Bhole Tiwari first encouraged Dhyan Chand to play hockey seriously. Second reference to contest. When he played at the Berlin Olympics, a German newspaper carried a banner headline, "The Olympic complex now has a magic show too." A. How long did Dhyan Chand's international hockey career last? At how many Olympic Games did his team win a gold medal? So student, Dhyan Chand's hockey career lasted 22 years and his team won gold medal in 3 Olympic Games. First, he won gold medal at the Olympic Games in Amsterdam in 1928, second in Los Angeles in 1932 and as captain in Berlin in 1936. Question B. What nickname did Dhyan Chand earn at Berlin? Dhyan Chand earned a nickname of Hockey Wizard because of his extraordinary skills. CPA. Why did the newspaper announce that there was a magic show at the Olympic complex? The newspaper announced that there was a magic show at the Olympic complex because his hockey stick drew crowds to the hockey field and his skilled stick work and amazing ball control left fellow players and audience awestruck. Students, I hope you all understood the chapter and able to understand and complete the question answers of your book. So complete your question answers in your notebook and do your exercise very neatly. Thank you.